half, and then this is in grams. Good one. Ooh, the cake itself. This part is going to taste good. It's orange cake. Is anyone else watching their eyes keep darting off to the dish to the left? Me? Oh no, I wasn't looking. Oh, I didn't know I was looking at it. I'm looking at this thing. 10 grams. So about a teaspoon and a half. Probably just looks like that from this angle that when I look that way.
Delicious.
JJ, 8 months. Thank you very much for the resub.
JJXCVIHI.
Hello, JJ. This, if you missed it, this is the pasta we made. The pasta of love. Okay. But it is so good. It is very good. I would keep looking at it. If you guys weren't here, I'd be eating it. No, our eyes. Oh, your eyes keep going to it, yeah? You mean you're not watching what I'm doing, Cad? Or watching those mod controls? Okay. So, now there's no lumps in here, then we're going to incorporate it into the rest of the dish. Cool. We might even just do it this way. So this is orange cake, okay? Normal, basic orange cake, orange juice. You could pulp some oranges and it would be pretty, I think it would be pretty tasty. It's just gonna get a bit weird in a minute. And then you guys are gonna be like, ooh, don't know. Pop it up, pop it up. Pop it up, 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 pop it up. I just needed to just have some silence after that performance. Let that sink in for you all. And now, go into there. You didn't have to do this, it's just for the theatrics and fun of it. There we go. Nice. All right, I may have added too much liquid, just slightly, because mine's a bit wetter than theirs, but whatever, it'll be fine. Oh no, it's getting thicker. I'm pretty sure the pulp it up dance is required for this recipe. I don't know the dance, but I'll pulp it up, pulp it up. Pulp it up, 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 pulp it up. It's like a rain dance, but we're pulping it. Okay. That's because we had to pulp it up. We got a bit the energy got a bit high. We splashed it up, 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 splashed it up. Can't speak. There we go. All right. Now, delicious orange cake. Cool. Now, you want to pour about a third into there. Delicious. Get yourself a wipey wipe. Wipe it up. I'll